My name's Mike Goebel. I've been in quality for about 10 years now, specifically in the medical quality realm for about 6 years. When you're doing more of process and medical device, you're looking for the repeatability. So you're looking at process failure modes. So we do a lot of process FMEAs along with your DFMEAs. And those are really important because if you identify any issues in your processes, you really want to do a lot more validation. And you're talking about installation qualifications, performance qualifications, anything that's going to show you where you could have a failure later. So if you're doing a proper validation for the process, you can see you're having standard results that are always conforming. The medical business, most of our customers, when they're reporting to regulatory FDA, whether it's FDA, BSI, or any other reporting agency, they need to tell them about any changes that happen. So there's a lot more stringent change control. A lot of our medical customers, most of our medical customers require that we make no changes unless they are approved by them, specifically because then they have to go to the FDA or any other reporting agency to let them know about any changes. We're really customer focused, and in the medical business it's more patient focused on patient risk. We're always looking to work with our customers to identify what the product is going to be used for, but also where it's going to be used. Because if you're not looking at where it's going to be used, whether it's a patient's home or in a hospital, you're not going to design the right enclosure for it. We do train to ISO 13485 awareness, which is pretty standard for quality system regulations, QSR typically called. We are always looking to explain to our employees what the product is being used for. It gives them a little more understanding of why what they're doing is important. They're going to take more care in their work and really just feel better about it.